Hey everybody, welcome. This is Dustin with Mobility Direct, and you're watching the Mobility Scooter Sales YouTube channel. We just wanted to make this video quickly show you every one of Pride Mobility's scooters for the 2022-2023 scooter season. This is a GoGo LX 3-wheel. You used to be able to get it in 4-wheel. It's recently discontinued it. This is a GoGo Ultra X 3-wheel scooter, lightweight. You could disassemble it. It's the other 4-wheel version of the GoGo LX. This one right next to it, that's a GoGo Endurance. Very similar to the GoGo LX, but it has a lithium battery. Right here, this is the 4-wheel GoGo Ultra X. These ones now come with a mesh back. They're really neat. With that said, here's the mesh back right here. Very nice. This here is an Elite Traveler Plus 3-wheel, very similar to the Elite Traveler or the GoGo Sport. It's like in the middle of both of them. As we move up here, this is a GoGo Sport. It's the biggest of the GoGos, got the biggest wheels, bigger batteries in it, but also travel friendly, and it can disassemble. This is a regular Elite Traveler. That's one of the smaller of the GoGos, one of the lightest ones. What do we got over here? We got a Zero Turn 8. That's a Jazzy ZT8. This thing will disassemble like a GoGo, and it also has Zero Turn technology to make it ultra maneuverable. Up here, this is a Revo 2.0 3-wheeler. This will disassemble like a GoGo, but it's got massive 35 amp hour batteries, bigger tires and controller, which makes it better for grass and dirt. This one right here, let's see. This is a Victory 10.2. You can also get this in a 3- and 4-wheel version. It's a 400-pound rated scooter that you can disassemble, although it's a little heavier. This is a Victory Sport. I rent that one. That's the predecessor to the LX Sport, which I'll show you in a minute. Right here is a Maxima 3-wheel, 500-pound capacity, heavy-duty scooter. You can also get it 3- and 4-wheel. There's a Zero Turn 10. This has Zero Turn technology. Turns very sharply, and it'll hold somebody 400 pounds. Victory LX Sport, 8 miles an hour, 400-pound capacity, suspension. This is one of my favorite scooters right here. It's good all around. And as we move into the outdoors, you got the Baja Wrangler dual motor, 950 watts, ultimate off-road machine, and the Raptor, the Speed Demon. It's a recreational scooter with a 14-mile top speed. Only scooters not here is a GoGo ES2 and a iRide. Go chair disassembles like a GoGo, but it's a travel chair. New Jazzy Carbon, 39 pounds only. And the Jazzy Passport, 57 pounds, ultra travel friendly. That's gonna wrap up this quick video. I just wanted to quickly show you what products we're gonna have available for 2022, 2023. Of course, if you have questions or need more info, we got tons of videos with all these products. Just check them out on YouTube. Go to mobilitydirect.com to request your free catalog. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel and the Mobility Direct channel so you can be entered to win a free scooter. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. mobilitydirect.com
Hello and thank you for joining. Just a quick reminder, hit that little subscribe button up there in the corner. It's free. We're gonna do a giveaway every 2,000 subscribers. Currently we're giving away this scooter. Help us spread the word. Give this out to somebody who really needs it. Good luck. Now back to the video.